So it's 9 o'clock in the morning, October the 17th. We're here in Brighton, in Brighton today. We're at the Dugard Open House. I'm here with Gio. We're going to preview the event. It's on today and tomorrow, so there's still plenty of time to come here and see the latest technology. I'm going to put Gio to the test though. Let's see what he's found inside.
Jonesy, I can't believe you're testing me so early in the day. The first thing I've been presented with here is the Anwar sliding head lathe. It comes with Fanuc control, but you've also got Siemens control options. You've got 7mm bar up to 38mm bar capacity, guide bush, non-guide bush options, and lots of different configurations available. These machines are in stock. Now, if you've not considered Dugard for your sliding head, maybe you should, and maybe you should visit. Now, Paul, I'm going to test you. What do you know about the new SMEC machines?
I love your energy there, Gio. Okay, so what do I know about SMEC? Well, not as much as the guys here at Dugard, I'm sure, but I know enough to whet your appetite. And firstly, behind here, I mean, if this doesn't whet your appetite, I don't know what will. This is the SL 5500 machine. This is on display here. This is a huge turning centre, a heavy-duty machine. So in answer to your question, Gio, yeah, what do I know? Well, I know that SMEC or Dugard have sold twice as many SMEC machines in the last year as they did last year. That could be because the new livery of the machines, but also there's new models within the range. So for example, they've now got a twin turret machine, various other machines that weren't available before, so certainly a popular choice. What else is new, G-Man?
Paul, I'm loving them SMEC machines, and that turret is nearly as chunky as you. Anyway, new, the Anwar robotics, the cobot. Now, this is on wheels, as you can see, and the programming is so simple. So if you're currently in the market for automation and robotics, please come and have a look and see how easy it is for yourselves to program. Now, we've looked at sliding heads, we've looked at lathes, but Paul, what's new in the milling department?
Gio, your gags just do not get any better. Really, as chunky as a turret? I know someone that is, but it ain't me. Okay, Dugard 1000Y, this is a new machine. We're talking about milling now, a VMC. What I like about this, you've got a whole window here to the left of the machine. You don't see this very often. So it's got a new livery, a new look to the 1000Y, the bigger Y-axis, this VMC's on show. Also got this 5-axis machine, the X5800. This is a huge 5-axis machine, a very powerful spindle. Capable of, well, you can see the application on there. That's the type of application that you can do. Gio, thanks for joining us. So what else, other than what we've seen?
And also, we've got the VMCs. Don't forget the VMCs, they're also on show here, the XP range and the E range.
So if you're big on performance, big on precision, there's nothing little here.
Hey.